Now Morning Show at 7:18 a.m. And guess what? It's happening today. The launch of the Business Development Unit's Driving Force Loan Program. BDU is offering a transportation loan to assist Tobago entrepreneurs in the fields of fishing, farming, agro-processing, manufacturing, catering, and food entrepreneurship. Joining us this morning, we're going to be chatting with Simone Charles-Woods, who's also going to be touching on the upcoming Tobago Business Awards. Good morning, Simone, and welcome to the show.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
Good morning. It's a pleasure to have you with us. Well, I'll say virtually on set this morning as we discuss this loan. I'll say it's a loan sensation that's happening at the BDU. So let's talk a little bit about the loan, because we got a little preamble as to who it's available to. But what is the driving force behind this?
The driving force, we are speaking from the Division of Finance, Trade and the Economy, the Business Development Unit. And we are basically the unit that takes care of businesses in Tobago. And I might sound a little biased there, but it's in Tobago, right? We take care of businesses in Tobago, and we are helping our entrepreneurs in the area of you need to get from point A to point B. However, you don't have transportation. You don't have something to take you from here to there. So the grand launch is on today. Today, the grand launch is on at the Market Square. Come out, Tobago. We are calling one and all. Let's build, grow, and move Tobago forward. And what we are going to do, the grand launch entails vehicles from distributors, and you will be able to see what they're offering. You'll be able to have a preamble as to how the loan will go. You are able to meet with insurance companies and also the distributors of those vehicles. So we are helping you basically to get where you need to go.
I know, I can hear the excitement in your voice. I can only imagine how excited your entire team must be after working on this for so long.
Yes, we are.
Something that definitely people are asking, though, is why these particular sectors?
The fisherman needs to get from the sea to where he needs to get to. You're doing food catering, you need to get from where you're catering your food to your event. And transportation, safety, sanitary environments is something that is very important. The manufacturer need to take that piece of furniture or whatever they are building to the furniture store or to your home, to and from your home, to repair or whatever. So they need transportation to do that and to get where they want to go. So that's the reason basically behind catering for those sectors in Tobago.
Definitely. Now, of course, it's a driving force loan. We saw the flyer where we saw different types of vehicles. So walk us through as well some of the vehicle dealers are going to be there and what sort of vehicles perhaps are going to be eligible for this loan.
Great. So you're going to have Massey there, and we're going to have the Jones Motors. So you're going to get the panel vans. You're going to get the K2700, the H100, the Isuzu 4x4 are some of the vehicles that you will see there. So you see we have a variety of vehicles because of the different sectors in which we are catering for today at the launch.
100%.
Right?
I mean, you know, one of the things that we're seeing with this as well, and we would have seen on the screen, would have been the different vehicles, which, as you mentioned, are necessary for the different sectors that are being highlighted with this driving force loan program. But let's talk a little bit about the criteria for the loan. Is it the same as though you were applying for a car, or is there something different in this aspect?
So, and one thing that will set us apart with the criteria from the bank, for sure, you need to know that it's a 5% per annum on the loans. First things, you know, the bank asks you for audited statements. We are not asking you for that. So here goes already two things that will set us apart from the different financial institutions. So some of the criteria is that your business must be registered. Mm-hmm. We are asking you to provide us with things like your BIR number, two valid form of identification, right? That's your driver's permit, your passport, or your ID card. Right? And we only ask you for two of those. Your proof of address. We need to make sure that you have your proof of address. That's where you're living. and your banker's referral letter, a job letter if applicable, because some of our entrepreneurs are also employed, a personal bank statement. You will get the vehicle quotation. It must be fully comprehensive. And you also need to make sure that you provide us with some kind of financial statement for at least 2 years. Yeah, it should be it could be unaudited statements, management accounts, and those are some of the basic requirements. We're also doing 100% financing. Please notice on the special requirements. Yeah, once you reach the requirements, you are entitled for the 100% financing.
In addition to what you would have just shared with us, is there any age requirement in order to qualify for the driving force loan?
You must be 18 years and over and in business for at least 2 to 3 years.
Okay, excellent. So we've heard about this. The launch is happening today. Can you just walk us through very quickly again where the launch is happening today as well? Not as we speak, but maybe in a few moments.
Tobago, we are set up and ready for you. We are at the Market Square. That's right in front of the Victor E. Bruce Financial Complex. We are set up there and we are waiting for you to come. All entrepreneurs, once you are in your business for 2 to 3 years, we are set up there. All the distributors will be set up there. You will have your insurance companies there to set you starting. We'll be able to guide you also to getting your an idea of what the loan will look like, the prices for the loan, the requirements for the loan will be reinforced, and you should be ready and meet us at Market Square this morning, today, from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. We are out there waiting for you. Please come and take advantage of this all Tobago entrepreneurs. Be it you're a fisherman, a farmer, a food caterer, be it you're manufacturing, we are waiting for you. Market Square, today, the 27th, 9 a.m. to 3 p.m.
Now, one of the things that we also know from the conversation specifically is that this is the launch of the driving force loan. Is this now going to be something that is ongoing, or is it only for a specified period of time?
We are basically looking at it for a specified period of time, but it will be for a good while. A good while.
Wonderful.
Yeah, now, it will be for a good while.
All right, now let's move on to another exciting part of the conversation. Speaking about the business awards that are coming up, walk us through the nomination process, the criteria, and of course, some of the categories.
Great. So then we are having the Tobago Business Awards carried for the 11th of December. And this is for Tobago businesses again. Tobago, we are calling you out. Our Tobago Business Awards is scheduled for the 11th of December. We have our nomination, that's right, up online. Nominations are open. We are asking persons just to go online on our Business Development Unit page, and you will see the nomination link there. All we are asking you to do is to go in, click or scan that barcode. You will see all the necessary questions that you need to answer us. There's no lengthy questions. It's nothing that you need to, but go in. You will be able to answer all our questions. It's online. You submit your application. Please, we are asking you to nominate persons that are in business in Tobago. Could be a large company, a medium company, a person who has been in business for quite a while and their business is functional. We are asking you to do those things. Yes, you will see the necessary stuff that you need to provide on the link. Some of the categories are Large Business of the Year, Young Entrepreneur of the Year. We also have a Female Entrepreneur of the Year. That Female Entrepreneur of the Year, that person must be solely owned, that business must be solely owned and operated by that female entrepreneur, right? So we have the Chief Secretary Award, and we also have the BDU Entrepreneur of the Year. So that person, because we also have clients in our portfolio, we are also going to be having a BDU Entrepreneur of the Year, right? The Chief Secretary Par Excellence Award. And we're going to have also that person who is into that innovative green business we're also going to have that award. Those are some of the awards that we're going to have on that auspicious occasion on the 11th of December. So
Now,
we're asking persons in Tobago, please go on and nominate businesses that you know are functional and can qualify for this Tobago Business Awards.
Simone, when do nominations close for the upcoming Tobago Business Awards?
Nomination actually closes tomorrow because it has been out there quite a while. So we are just giving you the final push. If you have not been nominated or you have not nominated anyone, today and tomorrow by 3 p.m., we are asking you to go online and please push it, nominate you. We have a lot of excellent businesses in Tobago, a lot. So we're asking the Tobago to go on and nominate your people, nominate the businesses, and so that we could have a good time honoring our businesses in Tobago.
Wonderful. And before we close our conversation this morning, for those who are interested, how can we get in contact with the Business Development Unit to be in the know with everything that's going on?
Excellent. You can contact us at 639-4412, extensions 53201, 53211, 53210, and 53214. Let me say that again. 639-4412, extension 53201, 53214, 53210. You can surely contact us there, and we will be happy to serve you.
Wonderful. Well, Simone, thank you so much for joining us this morning. It's been a pleasure to have you. Looking forward to having another conversation soon with all the great things that are happening in Tobago.
Yes. Thank you for having me, and have a wonderful day.
It's our pleasure. Simone Charles-Woods with us this morning on the Now Morning Show, speaking about the launch of the Driving Force loan happening today and also the upcoming business awards that are happening. For me, one of the things that has definitely jumped out, of course, the loans, the Driving Force loan, the vehicles, and the fact that the criteria is admittedly a lot easier than that which we see when you go for your standard vehicle.
Because they've customized it to the entrepreneurs, they really know who they're talking to and they're speaking their language, both even in the awards and the recognition too, because they're specifically looking for business owners, entrepreneurs. So I really like the encouragement and the support, which is what the two items are doing.
100%.
Good stuff.
Good stuff to Tobago, continuing to work together with everybody, even on the ground, of course, to ensure that we have that investment, which is going to therefore pour back into our economy, pour into the individual, thus pour into us and continue to make Tobago the greatest little island in the world. That is for sure.
I'll remind you.
Trust and believe. Like the fact the Business Development Unit continues also to show so much initiative and take care of their own. If it's one thing we heard throughout the conversation with Simone, Tobago, ensuring that there is that continued unity and community investment. Stay tuned because there's more coming up after this break.